going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I did get a haircut and a little bit of a beard trim. If you saw the last video, I was looking a little bit shaggy. I did record that before I got my haircut. Anyways, besides the point, today's video is all about this controller right here. This is the little wireless controller from PDP. This is for the Nintendo Switch, and honestly, when I first saw this thing, I was absolutely in love, just because of like the design of it. It's really clean. It's got that little purple color to it, which of course I really like. But besides that, I just wanted to pretty much unbox it real quick, show you guys its features, and tell you guys exactly why I love this controller and why this has become the main controller that I use now to play the Nintendo Switch. It is now available to order. It launched on October 1st. If you guys go down to the link in my bio, I will have it there for you guys if you guys want to pick this up for yourselves. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into the video. All right, let's go ahead and hop into this unboxing. Honestly, obviously, you can see right through this that, well, there's not much to it. Here's the box. Of course, always clean. PDP, their designs are always so good. But yeah, let's hop right into this thing. All right, first thing you have at the top is the controller itself. You can already see that shiny purple right there. Put this to the side. It does come with a charging cable, of course. It's wireless and it's rechargeable. It's a USB-C, good thing. But look at this thing. It looks so clean. It looks so good. The way the purple highlights, it's so amazing. Honestly, this is by far one of my favorite PDP designed controllers. The USB-C is perfect. The color combination is just so good. The gray and the purple and the black, it just pops so well together. I don't know what it is about this controller. Might just be the colors that I just absolutely love. The back is just a purple plastic plate. So is the front, as you can see right here. It looks pretty good. It's got a great, decent size to it. It's a very lightweight controller, and honestly, even if you have big hands like myself, it still feels really comfortable in your hands, surprisingly. So I think it'd be good for big and small hands. Another thing I've noticed while using this controller, the buttons on it are not loud whatsoever. They're pretty quiet, so it's not one of those very clicky third-party controllers. It actually plays very smoothly, very well. That's one thing that I really always just love about PDP controllers. Their Switch controllers are actually on point in my opinion. And here I wanted to give you guys a size comparison between a regular Switch size controller and the one we're reviewing here in the video. But it is quite a difference, but both feel incredibly well in the hands. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Those were my general first impressions on this controller. Of course, this will be my daily driver in regards to what I use when playing the Switch here. I'm gonna be playing a lot of Mario Sunshine now that I got the Mario collection. Super excited about this one, and there's just no better feeling than just chilling at your setup and playing with a new controller. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, whatever they may be, put them down in the comments down below. I always try my very best to answer all of your guys' questions. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. Again, if you did like this video, found it informative, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to check out more content in the future. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you would pick up for yourselves? Do you guys like the more smaller kind of design when it comes to controllers, or do you guys prefer a little bit bigger, kind of like the Xbox, like overall larger Switch controllers like this one right over here? Let me know. I'm just curious. Personally, of course, you guys already know I love the small design. But with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. Take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Alrighty, bye.